ehuru ya patriotism yo kubyara emito mutwaro gumwe harumuna ne yebijumo mu mashomero ga primary na ga senior omurembo rwa hoyuma yatongozo bwa hishomero rya Duhaga Secondary School kandi habanza kubaho okumba kw'abeje ba Patriotism Club mu mashomero gona.
President wa Uganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akaragira amasomero gona na institutions za government kubyara emiti kandi etahagane ebyarwa mpora hati tukimukize kandi tukiteiremo amani maingi muno.
If you don't have trees, you cannot clean the air. So you end up breathing bad air and you end up getting chest infections. Then you put the hospital and the dog not be around.
Ehureji yashajukwa ba KCB Bank n'istongore chevere cha NFA ahibahireye embebo y'emiti eyebijuma n'emiti ya burijo.
As NFA will pledge to give 20,000 seedlings, of which 5,000 has already been delivered here yesterday. We're remaining with 15,000 which can be picked. We can deliver anytime. We're just waiting for whoever is ready. If the school is ready, just inform us. We deliver the seedlings so that this program goes.
The city zone and zikula hariho construction ongoing kuko emiti abantu bari bashaka emiti without replacing. So twagira itwenka KCB katwatanse na Hoima City tugure emiti basimbe emiti eji ni jukwata wind, emiti eji ni jukuma environment, emiti eji ni regulating our weather.
How I wish in schools we start the practice of how we dispose of our garbage, how we manage garbage within the school, so that we know plastics are disposed in a different way from the decomposables.
Abeji bagamba hamagashe ryo mukubyara emiti. Nibyijaho obu company ya Vision Group yayehireyo okwinegeza enkora yo kurinda obahangwa omu mashomero. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.